1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This song, Galway Shawl, it's about an occasion in Oranmore in County Galway when a fella sees a beautiful young damsel, and of course he was smitten. This is the fourth song that I've done with Galway in the title. This is Galway Shawl. I did Galway Races, Galway Girl, and Galway Bay. So this one is Galway Shawl, and I'm playing it in the key of G. And I've included two videos for this song. One using just the three major chords from the G major scale, and the other I'm using those three chords plus some additional, maybe more unusual chord shapes. Some might like just the version using the three chords, less is often better, and others might prefer the other arrangement. So the chords used, the three major chords from the G major scale are G major, C major and D major. So one version I'm just using those three chords. For the other arrangement I'm using those three chords, but I'm playing a different version of the G major chord. I'm fretting the third frets of the second and first strings here with my third finger and pinky, and I'm also fretting the sixth string third fret, fifth string second fret. That's another version of the G major chord, and I'm using that version because I'm leaving these two fingers on for a lot of the chord changes. An additional chord I'm going to use in this arrangement also is move my two fingers down to the fifth and fourth here. And now I've got this chord, and that's a C add 9 chord. Again, just to create that chord, bring these two fingers, first and second fingers, down a string each. Another chord I'm using, again I'm leaving these two fingers anchored there and putting these two my first and second finger in the E minor position up here on the fifth and fourth strings. So that's a combination really of the G major chord and the E minor chord. Now the E minor chord of course is the relative minor chord for G major anyway, so they share the same notes. So that's that chord. If during the song you find that a bit awkward, just play E minor. E minor works fine as well. And in the second arrangement I'm also using the A minor chord. So I go from C to A minor. Now the song is in 3/4 time, it's in waltz time, so the count is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And the strum pattern I'm using for the song is 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3. Common waltz strum, so where I hit the one beat is a down strum, and back up then, and I have the 2 beat is a down up, and the 3 beat is down up. 1, 2 and 3 and down, down, up, down, up. 1, 2 and 3 and 1, 2 and 3 and
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. One, two, three, 1, 2, 3.